Hello guys, this is Vinith Verma and I am here to say you about the 5 to 10 reasons that not to buy this bike guys. Yes guys, you heard it right, you should not buy the NS200. That I am saying the 5 to 10 reasons. So if you are planning to buy this bike, watch this full video guys, so you will be understanding the 5 to 10 reasons before buying this bike guys. And I am not disappointing any bike lovers guys, I am just saying the honest opinion of the 5 to 10 reasons not to buy this bike guys, and this is not any paid promotion video and I don't promote any brand.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
The first reason that you should not buy this bike because of its engine guys. Yes guys, you heard it right. The engine is a very refined engine that I do know, but the reason is that the bike has a lot of vibration guys. I don't know what's the reason, but in the pillion seat, in the rider seat and the tank pads and the tank region and somewhat in the handlebars, when the vehicle reaches around 7 to 8,000 rpm, the bike vibrates a lot guys. I don't know why, but this is the reason guys. The another thing that I wanted to say you that the headlight of this bike is another reason guys, because this is just a halogen headlight guys, and these lights look attractive, but it's just a halogen headlight. It's not a LED, and the brightness of this light is also not that much as we think during the night conditions. So this is the another reason guys, and this is one of the disadvantage only we can say is for this bike. The another reason is guys that this bike is not a fuel injected vehicle. Yes guys, you heard it right, this is just a carbureted vehicle, and the initial pickup of this bike is somewhat less because of the carbureted engine. So this is another drawback of this bike, and this is another reason that you have to consider before buying this bike. The another reason that you should consider not to buy this bike is the seats of this bike. As you can see that in the front section, the rider seat is big and it is comfortable, but in the rear section the pillion seat is small and it is not comfortable guys, and the cushioning is also not good guys. So this is another reason you should consider not to buy this bike. The another reason that you should not buy this bike is due to the brakes of this bike. As this bike has a twin disc brake in both the front and the rear sections, but this bike misses out the ABS. I know, but the bike also comes with the ABS in nowadays, but when we compare it with the size of this vehicle, the front disc size about 280 mm and the rear disc size about 220 or 240 mm. And when we compare it with the Duke's brakes, the Duke has almost a 320 mm front disc, which is lot more bigger than the NS200. So this is another reason that you should consider before buying this bike, and the reason you should not buy this bike. The another reason that you should not buy this bike because of its ground clearance guys. This bike just has 160 mm ground clearance. That's not a problem, that's sufficient enough ground clearance, but the reason is this bike has the underbelly exhaust, which in some conditions when we cross the bumps on the roads, it may touch the belly pan, and which creates a lot of disturbance, and the belly pan may be somewhat distorted. So this is the reason you should not buy this bike. The another reason that you should not buy this bike is due to the fuel tank. As you can see that the fuel tank is, look wise it is very attractive, but practically speaking it's just a plastic fuel tank. We cannot keep the tank bag on this, and there is a chances for breakage of this fuel tank. So this is the reason you should not buy this bike. The another reason that you should not buy this bike because of the no visor guys here. When you do a top speed of around plus 100 or plus 120, there is a heavy wind blast due to there is no visor here guys, and the wind blast will be more that the visor of the helmet will also get up guys. This is another disadvantage guys. So if we, for example, take the Apache RTR 200 guys, it just gets a small visor, but it is a very useful thing guys. But this bike misses out. This is a disadvantage I feel in this bike guys. So guys, these are some of the reasons I found not to buy this bike guys. So if you found this video useful, please hit a like button guys, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon guys, and be a part of our family, because with your support only, with your motivation only, we can do much more videos like this video guys. And comment down below what you think of this bike, whether to buy this bike or not to buy this bike, that all depends upon you. So thank you guys, thanking you for making me a part of your day. Until next time, this is Vinith Verma signing off.